Welcome to MotusVirtus. Today we will explore the top 10 most reliable Japanese car models to buy in 2024. We've meticulously evaluated each model across 7 key factors to help you make the best choice possible. From consumer reports to brand reputation, let's explore the standout features of these top-rated vehicles. Number 10. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 earns its number 10 spot with sporty handling and dependable performance that appeals to drivers seeking both agility and reliability. The overall reliability score of Mazda CX-5 is 7.7. Its stylish design and well-crafted interior provide a premium feel without the luxury price tag. The CX-5 excels in fuel efficiency, offering impressive mileage without sacrificing power, thanks to Mazda's innovative SkyActiv technology. The advanced safety features and intuitive infotainment systems, ensuring a connected and secure driving experience. With its responsive steering and refined suspension, the Mazda CX-5 offers a dynamic yet comfortable ride that makes every journey enjoyable and stress-free. Number 9. Honda Accord. The Honda Accord, a perennial favorite, is known for its reliability and balanced performance. The overall reliability score of Honda Accord is 8.0. The Accord excels in owner satisfaction, boasting a spacious interior, comfortable ride quality, and responsive handling that makes it ideal for daily commuting or long road trips. Its strong build quality and excellent safety ratings ensure peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. With a reputation for reliability backed by years of consumer trust, efficient fuel economy, and low maintenance costs, making it a smart choice for discerning buyers looking for reliability without compromising on style or driving enjoyment. Number 8. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX combines luxury with reliability, perfect for those seeking premium comfort and solid build quality. The overall reliability score of Lexus RX is 8.3. The RX stands out with its well-appointed interior, featuring premium materials and advanced tech features that enhance comfort and convenience. It delivers a smooth and quiet ride, making it perfect for both city commuting and highway cruising. Owners appreciate its strong resale value and low ownership costs, supported by Lexus' renowned reliability and top-notch customer service. Whether navigating urban streets or exploring the countryside, the Lexus RX offers a blend of performance, luxury, and dependability that continues to set it apart in its class. Number 7. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander is a standout choice for families looking for reliability and versatility. The overall reliability score of Toyota Highlander is 8.3. It boasts a spacious cabin with 3 rows of seating, accommodating up to 8 passengers comfortably. The Highlander's robust build quality and strong resale value make it a practical investment, while its advanced safety features and reliable performance ensure peace of mind on the road. Whether hauling groceries or towing a trailer, the Highlander delivers powerful performance without compromising on fuel efficiency. With Toyota's reputation for durability and long-term reliability, the Highlander remains a top pick in its class, offering a blend of comfort, utility, and dependability that families can trust for years to come. Number 6. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V continues to impress with its reliability and practicality, making it a perennial favorite in the compact SUV segment. The overall reliability score of Honda CR-V is also 8.3. It offers a spacious and versatile interior, with ample cargo space and comfortable seating for 5. The CR-V excels in fuel efficiency, delivering impressive mileage without sacrificing performance. Its smooth ride and responsive handling make it ideal for navigating city streets or venturing off the beaten path. Owners appreciate its low maintenance costs and strong resale value, supported by Honda's reputation for reliability and quality craftsmanship. Whether running errands or embarking on a weekend getaway, the Honda CR-V combines efficiency, comfort, and dependability in a package that appeals to drivers of all ages and lifestyles. Number 5. Subaru Forester. Renowned for its durability and capability, the Subaru Forester is a standout choice for drivers who need a reliable vehicle that can handle various conditions. The overall reliability score of Subaru Forester is also 8.3. Its symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides exceptional traction and stability, making it ideal for tackling snow-covered roads or unpaved trails. The Forester's spacious interior and generous cargo capacity offer versatility for hauling gear or accommodating passengers with ease. It boasts excellent safety ratings and advanced driver assist features that enhance confidence behind the wheel. Subaru's commitment to durability and longevity ensures that the Forester retains its value over time, making it a practical and reliable investment for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 stands out as a versatile and reliable SUV that appeals to a wide range of drivers. The overall reliability score of RAV4 is 8.4. It combines rugged performance with everyday practicality, offering a spacious interior and advanced safety features that prioritize comfort and security. The RAV4 excels in fuel efficiency, delivering impressive mileage without compromising on power. Its robust build quality and strong resale value make it a smart investment for buyers seeking long-term reliability and value retention. Toyota's commitment to innovation and durability ensures that the RAV4 remains a top choice in its class, providing drivers with the confidence to explore new destinations and tackle adventures with ease. Number 3. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla remains a benchmark of reliability in the compact car segment, known for its durability, efficiency, and affordability. The overall reliability score of Toyota Corolla is 8.4. It combines practicality with a sleek design and advanced tech features that cater to modern drivers. The Corolla excels in fuel efficiency, delivering impressive mileage without compromising on performance. Its spacious cabin offers ample room for passengers and cargo, making it ideal for daily commuting or road trips. Owners appreciate its strong resale value and low maintenance costs, supported by Toyota's reputation for quality and dependability. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Toyota Corolla provides a comfortable and reliable driving experience that continues to resonate with drivers worldwide. Number 2. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is synonymous with reliability, offering a refined driving experience and upscale amenities that elevate its appeal in the midsize sedan segment. The overall reliability score of Toyota Camry is 8.6. It boasts a spacious and comfortable interior, with premium materials and advanced tech features that enhance convenience and connectivity. The Camry excels in fuel efficiency, delivering impressive mileage without compromising on performance. Its smooth ride and responsive handling make it ideal for daily commuting or long-distance travel. Owners appreciate its strong resale value and low ownership costs, supported by Toyota's reputation for quality and dependability. Whether navigating urban streets or cruising on the highway, the Toyota Camry offers a sophisticated and reliable driving experience that continues to set the standard in its class. Number 1. Toyota 4Runner. At the top of our list is the Toyota 4Runner, celebrated for its rugged reliability and exceptional off-road capability. The overall reliability score of Toyota 4Runner is 9.0. It's built to withstand tough terrain and harsh conditions, making it the perfect choice for adventurous drivers seeking exploration and excitement. The 4Runner's spacious and versatile interior offers ample room for passengers and cargo, with advanced tech features that enhance comfort and convenience. It boasts impressive towing capacity and off-road prowess, supported by Toyota's commitment to durability and long-term reliability. Whether conquering off-road trails or navigating city streets, the Toyota 4Runner delivers a dependable and exhilarating driving experience that appeals to outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. These top 10 Japanese car models exemplify reliability and performance, ensuring confidence and peace of mind for drivers in 2024. Which one suits your lifestyle best? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, Subscribe to MotusVirtus for more insightful car content, and stay tuned for our latest updates on the best cars to buy.